Forget about Pi if you did not make money from Pi. This coin I'm showing you right now, it's already $5.57 in the P2P market. That means it has already been listed. You can make sales with it. Now, as you can see, this is a P2P section where you can sell and buy. That means this coin is traded already. Now, this is somebody that has already made up to 680 orders in the P2P market. That means that person has been selling. And as you can see, this is the sell button that will enable you to sell that coin after mining. This is wonderful, guys. And funny as it is, the good news is that you can mine for free, swap for free, get to the P2P market and cash out to your Bybit or Binance account. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, if this video sounds interesting, like what you want to know, do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you have more of this video for you to watch in the future to come. Alright guys, stay to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you can get this coin for free and swap in the P2P market at the end of the video. So all you have to do is to go down now and register, or after registration then you have to log in. I have done my registration. It is very seamless, so I just log in. Alright, when you log into the platform, you're going to see it like this. This is how it looks. But guys, there is something that is very important. All you need to do is to check in every 24 hours and you make your coin. When you refer, you get a number. For you to check in, you have to do your registration that has to make you to verify yourself, and you have to get this Me ID card. Now this Me ID card is very important. This is what will give you the ability for you to be able to mine this coin for free and swap in the P2P market. Alright guys, come on guys. So I have gotten my own. After you apply for it, they will verify you instantly and then they will give you access. They will give you a min card just like this. It's going to reflect like this. So guys, if you don't do this, you won't have the access for you to be able to mine this particular coin. All right, so guys, let's go. Let me show you how to mine. So you will just scroll down and then you click on claim reward. All right, you click on claim reward. This is where it is, right? When you click claim reward, a bar is going to load. Guys, you just have to stay to the end of this video so that you can see how you can swap it. All right, how you can sell it in the P2P market. So guys, when I click on claim reward, this is what is going to come at you. You're just going to enter everything here according to the words that is written here. Enhance happiness for a better life. So I'm just going to impute these words into this empty space. It is written faintly there, so you're just going to do that. Enhance happiness for a better life. So immediately you're done with this, then the next stage is for you to click on on-chain check. Allow it for a period of time. It's going to rotate and then you can see congratulations, check-in is what successful. So as you can see, it will not take you back to the home page. All right, this is the home page. Guys, like I said, this is going to pay you more than Pi. So I would advise you can do it now. I will drop the referral code, which is a link to this app for you to sign. As you can see, you can receive the coin. You can also send the coin. So when you want to do the P2P section, how you can trade it, you click on this arrow here and then you scroll down. You see where this DApp store is, and then you click on this one that says click to join, that green logo. All right, so you can sign up here with your Me account or you just log in, but I just log in because I have an account. All right, it will just connect you automatically, and remember I have done my ID verification. So after the authorization, I will just definitely do what? It will definitely log me in. Guys, hold on a while. It's logging me in now. As you can see, it has logged me in. Look at the price there. It's $5.73. That means that it has been listed. It is there, so people are trading it and cashing it. So I take you now to this is the P2P section where after mining you can swap. As you can swap, look at the value there, right? $5.57. When you scroll down, you see a lot of people that are already selling it. They are already selling it and they're already making money with it. See, this person here has made over 680 transactions. This person can, and the funniest thing is you can sell even as low as 0.4, 0.8, whatever you want to do. These are people that are already trading. All right, this is sell, and if you want to buy this coin, the same thing, you can buy also. All right, so guys, the link to this is in the description of this video. All right, go and sign up. And then guys, if you want to join my community, please check my WhatsApp community, Telegram community, whichever that is flexible to you, in the description. All right guys, so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you have more videos like this. Bye bye.